This one feels ready. The density is perfect.
Agreed. The drone imagery correlates with the higher yield prediction here.
Let's input the firmness score and move on.
We will start with row 7. Look for the deep reds.
Confirmed. Adjusting the sensors now.
All right, team, focus on the lower branches first. Quality is essential.
And remember, only the fully red giant tamarillos go into these crates.
Yes, sir.
From the orchards, the giant Tamarillo convoy begins the journey to the processing facility.
A close-up shows the giant Tamarillo submerged in a food-grade sanitizing solution.
After washing, giant Tamarillo passes through air drying chambers. Warm, filtered air removes surface moisture.
Premium giant Tamarillo moves to polishing units. Soft rotating brushes and knives.
Sliced giant Tamarillo moves into pulp extraction units. Mechanical presses separate flesh from skin.
Preserved at optimal temperature, these giant Tamarillo pallets are monitored by digital panels, ensuring long-term freshness in our clean warehouse.
Looks like the North American routes are locked in.
Yes, the entire shipment is green. We're running at peak efficiency.
These specialized Tamarillo containers represent the cutting edge of global exports, moving millions of units across the ocean.
Kiratashep uthoin mudet daitha mendihai. Otrosta pama abin date agniboldi kalikal. Argansam bunokurba dikulka. Biu.
The yield is better than we expected. Yes, all that hard work paid off.
This giant Tamarillo represents everything we do here. It's grown with pride, straight from our healthy trees to your table.
This is excellent. The balance is perfect.
Yeah.
I agree. We finally have a winner.
Try this, everyone.
Wow, this juice is incredible.
Cheers.
Well, it's a deal then.
A deal. I look forward to it.
The key to the Giant Tamarillo is a quick sear over high heat. It holds its shape beautifully and the flavor is incredibly versatile.
Go ahead, try the Giant Tamarillo. It's very unique.
Wow, that is really good.
Can I have some more, please?
These sustainable methods are exceeding our expectations. Look at the data here.
Truly remarkable. The quality of the
The sequence confirms the accelerated growth markers.
Yes, the gene editing vectors are binding successfully.
While early 20th century methods relied on strenuous manual labor, today's giant Tamarillo farms utilize advanced technology for vastly improved efficiency.
They said it couldn't grow this large, but we knew better. This tamar is the legacy of my family.
You see, this cut must be clean to promote fruiting.
Ah, yes, right here.
We must be careful not to damage the main stem.
Tamarillos, big and red. A wonderful harvest for everyone.
Mission accomplished.
sibling. From the dense jungles to the arid deserts and across the highest peaks, the giant Tamarillo continued its
Man, that sun felt good today. We earned this break.
You said it, brother. Best harvest we've had in years.